Hey guys, I'm in Best Buy and look at Gaga. Here's the normal one. This is a special edition one. I can't believe they're here. Look at them. It's like gold. But here's the difference. Hey everybody, I just went to Best Buy, as you could see, and I bought Born This Way special edition. So this is an unboxing video. Please subscribe and follow me on Twitter at FamousTumblon. Thank you. Now let's begin. This is the cover. It was a total of like $14.50 only at Best Buy, because like they have their like a cheaper price, and you should go this week because by May 29th it will be $16, just like it says there. It's a 2 CD special edition, contains 22 tracks, 3 exclusive bonus songs, 5 remixes. This is the back. It has Marry the Night, Born This Way, Government Hooker, Judas, Americano, Hair, I don't know how to pronounce that one, Shibi, Bloody Mary, Black Jesus, Aman Fashion, Bad Kids, Fashion of His Love, Highway Unicorn, Road to Love, Heavy Metal Lover, Electric Chapel, The Queen, You and I, The Edge of Glory. Disc 2, Born This Way Country Road version, Judas DJ White Shadow remix, Marry the Night Fernando Garibay remix, Shibi DJ White Shadow Mugla, Fashion of His Love Fernando Garibay remix. Okay, so that's enough of me talking. Let's open it up. Oh yeah, and my birthday was yesterday, and somehow I wish that the CD could come out yesterday, because that would be like the best birthday ever. Well, here it is. We still gotta open the top. First page. This album is for you, as it says here. Here we have her. And again it says, this album's for you. It's a heart. There we have her. This is the picture she used for the Culture Shock version of Born This Way. Okay, so we got Marry the Night, and all of these are the lyrics. And then here are the people who helped make her. This is the picture she used for the Culture Shock version of Born This Way. Okay, so we got Marry the Night, and all of these are the lyrics. And then here are the people who helped make it. Marry the Night, Born This Way, Government Hooker, which I think this is gonna be like my favorite song. Government Hooker, Judas, Americano, Hair. Here we have her in the goo. It's just goo. Shibi, Born This Way, Black Jesus, A Man Fashion, Bad Kids, Fashion of His Love. Born This Way. Ooh, there ain't no other way. Baby, I was born this way. Baby, I was born this way. Born this way. Highway Unicorn, Road to Love, Heavy Metal Lover, Electric Chapel, The Queen, You and I, and The Edge of Glory. Here she is. This is my favorite picture of her. So that's it. And I think you want to see this too. So I'm going to just show you really quickly. Okay, well I got this at Best Buy. There she is. And she's on this page too. And right here. Well, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and follow me at Famous Blonde at Twitter.